Hello everyone, this is Salman Nadeem, and today I came up with another tutorial in which we will integrate Post API. Um, Last time we have successfully configured the Post API. We have get hundred of post data in our previous tutorial, and today we'll be working with the form and its validation. In our previous tutorial, I have shown you type JSON placeholder typecode.com. Today I am going to use its post API to post the data. In this API, we have received user ID, title, body. So we'll try sending title and body in today's tutorial. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please like and follow my page on YouTube. You can check my playlist as well. I have worked on plenty of things, and today I am making a video for Angular and Tailwind CSS. So just before the video have started, I have just created the whole code for you people. So so it will save both of us time, and I'll tell you how to do this. So just let's get started. For that you need a reactive form module. I don't know why it's not working, but it's true that it's present. This was the reason I copied it. I'll import it from Angular Forms, right? This is necessary. And contact component.ts. Previously we have just a structure constructor and implementing on an init function. So I have already created a code for you people. No need to worry. To save plenty of time. And as you know that we left just right after creating a component, so it has its default content, and I am placing here my HTML code. I have just done this so you can see my code easily, and there is no need. As I said that the tutorial has both of the capabilities, integration of an Angular form and its validation. So let's go to contact, and you can see I have disabled the button if the data isn't inserted, or you can leave that as well, like if I remove the statement class, but like this also, but it would be great. I like this idea. This sounds really good. So I add a title and paste it. And you can see the errors are coming. And now you can see this received the button also. And Let's go to network, clear this, and let's try this. Right, response from the server we have received. This is the UI I have created for you people for better understanding. And when I hit post, all the responses which lies between 200 to 300 are successful responses. And I just use that API endpoint. I use request method post, which you can see here. So response preview errors. I don't know why it's showing so much of logs. Don't know. And you can get the response right here. So let's start. I used form group, which is form group for my form, which I have used in my HTML. And shown submit is function that whenever I click a button which has a type submit, the function will call itself, right? Submit it for just ignore this. Show response. Here is a condition that if I get a response after receiving the response, it will show by itself and the data we have received, which is a variable of type any. Show response true, it means just show that div, and I have just stringified the response which I received from the post API, and it is simply shown here. So we have created an two of the constructors, form builder and HTTP client, where we use this .fp.group title and body. Validators required it means, and you can add plenty of validators here, just like this. Title and body are my input elements. Form control name title and form control name body. This is the condition which I set on my input, that if it is select, if it is empty, simply show title is required. If my body input isn't touched yet and the body data is empty, show this body is required. And for designing purpose, you can see I've used Tailwind. You can use Bootstrap. You can use custom CSS. It depends on you that how you like to do the styling of any HTML page. And here I have just checked that if the form is valid, constant form data, this dot form value means an object. I can show you how it looks like. So easy. for you people to understand. It has created an object. You can add title, user ID and ID as well. It doesn't matter. But I just skipped this part. You can add this as well if you want to. So I create an object this way here and just pass is to the endpoint using post method. Here you can see form data has been passed and I have subscribed to it response and error that if the response is this, if I receive a response, show that response in the log, make my data and data updated variable true. So it will show the response here like this, and this show response is the div in which I have put the data updated variable. It can show this on runtime. So this is from today's tutorial. I hope you have understand how you can use form elements to post data in Angular 17, and maybe you would have understood a little bit of Tailwind, that how you can easily learn Tailwind CSS. It's it is so easy. Once you have just get started with it, I I will say that you will definitely gonna forget Bootstrap and custom CSS. All of the classes is present inside Tailwind. It is just a wonderful CSS framework we have got up till now. So if you haven't subscribed my page yet, my YouTube channel, sorry, please like and subscribe to my video so I may keep uploading videos for you people to learn Angular. Thank you. It's me signing off. We'll get back in another tutorial. Bye bye.